Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I'm going to reveal you guys the way you could make $333,000 on YouTube without making any movies in 2020. So, men, that is going to be step-through-step tutorial, so I truly endorse you men to observe this video too. And due to the fact this video may be lifestyles converting for a number of you guys, so I genuinely advocate it to look at it until give up. Also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, men, ensure to press that subscribe button because we add day-by-day motion pictures on this channel on a way to make money online. So you do not want to miss that out, so make certain to press that subscribe button. Additionally, in case you need to look my primary recommendation on a way to make money online, a way to begin your online commercial enterprise, make sure to click the first link in the description so you can watch loose video. Simply enter proper here your email address, click on can't access, and I am going to send you guys the nice way to make cash in 2020, so I clearly recommend additionally to click on that hyperlink within the description. So, men, the approach that we're going to use in trendy video, the way to make cash, I'm going to reveal you guys a number of the examples. So this channel Bright Side is certainly one of the most important channels on YouTube, so loads of you guys are going to assume. However, if this channel has loose hand 31 million subscribers, it is going to be without a doubt difficult to compete with those guys. But the motive, the time to show you men this channel and why is it proper whilst you see some of the biggest channels to your area of interest, is that there is lots of space for all of us. You're no longer going to make same actual motion pictures, so when a person has disguised subscribers, you want to leap in that area of interest due to the fact there are human beings who want to appear that content. They are searching out this content so that you could get quite a few views from this method. So right here you may see 10 home remedies to shed pounds, to lose belly fats without the workout. So here you can see in this video, you may see that they have not made anything on this video, so they did not document the video, and I am going to reveal you guys how to create a great deal higher videos than this, plenty tons better in my view, and it's miles going to be actually easy without recording, without making any motion pictures. So the only element that you need to do is you want to create your own content material. So I am going to expose you guys how you can do it. So right here, this video has 8 million views, so let's calculate how an awful lot cash this channel has made. 8,700,000 views, instances 3 greenbacks, because this video isn't over 10 minutes. However, almost each single video on this channel is over 10 minutes, so they are making manner more than $3 in line with 1,000 perspectives. But this video is going to make round $3 because it isn't over 10 minutes lengthy. So whilst it is over 10 minutes long, you can get more commercials in your movies. You could place 3, 4, 5 ads to your video and you may make manner more money. So proper here you can see this video has made 26,000 greenbacks just from one video. So the following channel, or it is precisely the identical channel right here, you can see again they have not made anything on this video. They did not document it, so they may be taking a number of the other humans which have recorded this video and they are making their personal content around it. So I was simply to expose you men how many views this channel has due to the fact it's far absolutely crazy. So you cannot simply anticipate to make something near this a great deal. However, it is a superb manner to get began with to make your first 100,000 greenbacks in keeping with 12 months with this technique. So right here you may see they have 6 billion views in an effort to show you guys how plenty money this channel could make. So let's see if they're making $5 for every single video, because nearly every single video on this channel is over 10 minutes long. So let's do x5/1000. This channel has made 30 million greenbacks in revenue, so that is in reality crazy. Once more, do not count on to make identical amount of money, but just to show you men and channel that once more. they have it recorded. Any indies whatever in this video, so that is already pre-recorded, and here you may see this channel has 3,700,000 perspectives, so the principal secret is to have some content that is very useful to your viewers. So right here you can see this channel has around 100,000. Here Qasim, 100,000. I don't need to calculate, I'm able to let you know, man, this channel has made around 360,000 greenbacks in 2 years from this channel. So men, how you may create that content material, how you could create your very own content which you didn't document. So the website that in the use of to do that is known as Content Material Samurai, so that you can truly move and attempt it out for 7 days at no cost, so you don't need to pay for anything. However, after that, you really want to pay, like I suppose, around $10 in line with month, due to the fact they really want some cash to provide you, men, with loose movies that you can use to your YouTube channel or something that you want, so that you can strive it out without cost. The hyperlink could be inside the description for the content equal right after you sign up. You could attempt it out once more, as I stated, 7 days free of charge, so you can strive it out. You like it, so I am going to reveal you, men, this software program in action, due to the fact once more in the usage of proper now unfastened version. Just to reveal you, men, that you could do the precise same factor with loose version. So we are going to click on proper right here on create new video. So right here you may select the template that you need to apply your video, so it doesn't actually count at the start. I am going to show you guys what matters the maximum on the give up. So we need to create something with video from weblog posts, or do you need to create something like video from online courses? So allows go along with permits create something similar, because I will display you, men, some weight loss films. So permits go together with evergreen path, so that is something that he's going to be our template, how our video goes to look like. So the second, once you choose your template, is Miles going to show you, men, this proper or paste your video script. So that is the most vital part of the video. So in case you want to create something like 10 approaches to shed pounds in 2020, clearly something like that, you want to recognize what are you speaking about, and that is surely vital. So in case you do not and understand something approximately weight reduction, you have to use Google. Seek Google as your friend, and you may pass and discover anything which you want, so that you don't need, again, you do not need to copy and steal a number of the content material from those websites. However, if you cross and search on Google how to lose weight, so right here you may see 30 ways, 30 smooth approaches to shed pounds. Clearly, so this is genuinely crucial. If you do not know something about the way to lose weight, if you don't know whatever approximately what should you create your content around, you need to go on Google and type in the way to lose weight, study as many blog publish as you can, and create your own version of the content material. So I have already done it due to the fact I do not want to waste your time, so I created a small script. This isn't always sufficient. In case you attempt to make 10 a minute video, you ought to have greater, longer script. But are you growing something small? Simply to reveal you guys how it works, so we are going to duplicate the script proper right here, and we to paste it on our Qantas Samurai script. So right here you can see I have stated welcome to 10 easy ways to shed pounds in 2020. Step 1, stay hydrated and plenty extra. And so I am going to right now from our script, Content Samurai is going to create video for us. So if you click on create scenes in your video proper right here, it is going to create a small video right here, smooth approaches to lose weight in 2020. So proper here, drink has a minimum 2 liters of water per day, exercising extra, try and do 30 push United States of America per day. So I can create this random from my head, a step Lucy healthy, consume, try and devour more fruits and vegetables. So what, sleep more. So what you have to do is you could see a few what films does not make sense. So the first video proper right here, we will genuinely cross and trade this video, so we can pass and seek here search for allows saccharine, so let's examine what they offer us. Those are the movies that you could go use on your channel, as I stated. So welcome to 10 smooth approaches to lose weight in 2020. Or it really is it let's see clean weight loss permits search just for weight reduction. Due to the fact this video is round weight reduction, so let's have a look at this one. I think I love this one, so I definitely like this one because she is happy she lost some weight, so that could be exact start of our video. So live hydrated, so we are not, this video does not make sense. It is not a brown money so that you have to move and look for water. Yeah, this video is probable suitable for our stay hydrated. So the next aspect you may see right here, drink at least 2 liters in keeping with date is not, this is not water, I think it is some tea or something like that, so we are able to pass and alternate also that we will put some water or something like this and exercising more. So this video is ready workout, so this is extraordinary attempt to do push American keeping with day. This doesn't need to do something round push USA, so let's pass and look for schooling. So let's see this one, that is maybe the good one. Eat healthful, that is superb one. We're going to preserve that extra end result, and vegetables we are going to additionally maintain that sleep greater, we are going to hold it, and we're going to maintain this try to sleep as a minimum 8 hours according to day and avoid pressure. So right here you can do your very own voiceover so that you can pass and report your own voice that is going to read the script, and what I sincerely endorse you. Men, the easiest technique is to do to click on right here and to select a person to study your script. So this is going to be finished in some seconds. You may see a number of the voices that you may use for your script. So let's examine. Look, hello, my call is Luke and I would love to study script to your video. So let's have a look at a few different yet another voices that you can use. Hello, my call is Harvey and that I would really like to study the script for your video. So Sid, it truly is. Hi, my name is Oscar and I might like to study the screen. Or you could go, wait, I suppose this painting's. Hello, my call is Heidi and that I would really like to study the script for allows move for a glance, so you can pass and preview your video so that you can see the way it looks like when Luke goes to read your script. So again, as I said, this is going to be accomplished in few seconds, so permits play it out. Welcome to 10 easy methods to lose weight in 2020. Step 1, stay hydrated. Drink at least 2 liters of water according to day. Step 2, exercise greater. Try to do 30 push United States of America consistent with day. Step 3, consume healthful. Attempt to consume greater end result and green. Step 4, sleep. Try to sleep as a minimum 8 hours according to day and avoid strain. So guys, what do you consider this video? You may also go and trade the music inside the historical past. You can position as an instance this. Welcome to 10 smooth approaches to lose weight in 2020. So here you may see those are all copyrighted, done fast, and you don't need, you do not want to pay for something, and you can see I could play this video in my video, so I am no longer going to get copyright strike from content material samurai due to the fact those films are copyright loose videos, so you're no longer going to get copyrighted. And you can also monetize your movies on YouTube, so you can make some money from AdSense. So when you're accomplished along with your video, just click on right here on download, and you can cross and download your video which you have just made. So men, that could be it for present day movies. And as I said, after you attain 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, you may go and sign up for AdSense. So there are necessities to make some and to make cash on YouTube. You recognize with ads on your motion pictures. The necessities are you want to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So once you reach that, you may cross and sign up for AdSense and make some cash from your videos, guys. So that could be it for cutting edge video. If you need to see extra motion pictures like this, make sure to press that like button. And additionally, if you need to peer my primary recommendation on the way to make money, make sure to check the link within the Description: this is also a first-rate to desi. Profits to your video that you are going to create because you don't want simply to make cash from one stream of income, like simply from AdSense. So I sincerely propose you men to observe this video. The link may be inside the description. Additionally, in case you are new to the channel, subscribe. And thank you men for watching. See you soon and bye.